Hello, sixth graders. This is Mr. Shear. Good morning, and welcome to Ratio Tables Continued. This is our last day of Ratio Tables, day 3 of 3. We're going to move on to a new topic tomorrow. Today is the book assignment. So your assignment is page 43 and 45 in the book. Quick note, this will also be marked on your answer key, but you can skip question 5 on page 43. It's this long question here, and there's not a great way to express that on the answer key, so you can skip that one. I'm going to do 3 examples for you in this video. It's going to be a short video, but just to remind you what a ratio table is, we're going to do a couple examples together. So this question says there are 2 chaperones per 25 students. What would be an equivalent ratio of chaperones for 225 students? So there's a chart. And I want to remind you, if you'd like to solve this and you need a little more time, pause the video now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and solve it. The answer would be 18. And the reason I was able to find this is a one-step ratio. 25, I thought, what's the one operation to get to 225? And that's timesing it by 9. So I do the same thing to the chaperones, and 2 times 9 is 18. One-step ratio, filling out a ratio table. All right, let's do the second problem. So this is example 2 of 3. If 9 guests could share 2 pizzas, what would be an equivalent ratio for 27 guests? Again, pause the video if you'd like a minute to solve this on your own. All right, well, hopefully you got 6. And the way I did this is I said 9 times 3 is 27. So 2 times that same number, 3, would give me 6. Again, I saw that guess, 9, changed it into 27 by times it by 3. So I did the same thing with pizza, and I'm creating 2 equivalent ratios. All right, last problem, example 3 of 3. If 5 CDs cost $40, what would be an equivalent ratio for 2 CDs? I want to give you a hint. This is a 2-step problem. So in this one, you can't do it in 1 step necessarily. You got to do it in 2. And I'm going to say go ahead and pause your video now if you want a minute to solve. Great. Answer was 16. And the way I got that, there's a couple ways to do it, but I just divided 5 by 5. I got to change that down to a 1. So if I divide 40 by 5, basically that's giving me a unit rate. Right? Divide both these numbers, 5 and the 40 by 5, and that's going to tell you $8 for 1 CD. So then I just times them both by 2 to find the cost of 2 CDs. So the 2 operations were 5 divided by 5 times 2. 40 divided by 5 times 2 gave me a final answer of 16. That's it. At the meet today, we are going to do a couple more practice problems, and then I'm going to just spend some time working through the book for those who want the help, because this is our last day to do ratio tables before we move on. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day.